Organic chemistry is an important study. We're always looking at the structure of molecules and the function of molecules. And students are going to be using a number of high-end instruments such as an NMR spectrometer to be looking at the structure of molecules. So studying organic molecules is going to be important for students that are going to be in the fields of chemistry and biochemistry and medicine. And it's also really important to bioanalytical sciences, such as our new cannabis program. Say the cannabis plant in particular has over 400 chemicals in it, many of which have some biological properties. There are two compounds in particular right now, THC or delta-9 THC and CBD, which are already in use pharmaceutically. And there's a number of other chemicals that are certainly being investigated for their pharmaceutical properties. So what we're trying to teach students is not only be able to analyze what's in the plants, we want them to be up on all of the research and all of the literature pertaining to these chemicals and how they may be used in future medicine.